Narendra Modi, a name that resonates deeply within the political landscape of India, embodies a complex narrative of ambition, leadership, and controversy. Rising from humble beginnings in Vadnagar, Gujarat, Modi's journey to becoming the Prime Minister of the world's largest democracy is a testament to his relentless determination and strategic acumen. His tenure, which began in 2014, has been marked by a blend of economic reforms, infrastructural advancements, and a strong emphasis on nationalism. One of Modi's hallmark initiatives, Make in India, aimed to transform the country into a global manufacturing hub, attracting foreign investment and creating millions of jobs. His government also launched the Goods and Services Tax, GST, a significant overhaul of India's tax system intended to streamline processes and enhance revenue. However, these ambitious reforms have not been without their challenges. Critics argue that the implementation often lacked foresight, leading to economic disruptions and hardships for small businesses. Modi's leadership style is characterized by a charismatic approach that resonates with many Indians, particularly the youth. His ability to communicate effectively, often through social media, has allowed him to connect with a vast audience, fostering a sense of unity and pride. Yet, this popularity has also sparked debates about the increasing polarization within Indian society, as policies perceived as favoring one community over others have raised concerns about secularism and inclusivity. As Modi continues to navigate the complexities of governance, his legacy remains a topic of fervent discussion. Supporters laud his vision for a stronger India, while detractors caution against the implications of his policies on democracy and social harmony. In the ever-evolving narrative of India, Modi stands as a pivotal figure, shaping the course of the nation in ways that will be analyzed and debated for generations to come.